Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome to episode 1 of my trading journey. My name's Akash, and I've decided to start documenting my options and stock trading, kind of as a way for me to more track my progress as well as kind of share my experience with stocks and options. In today's video, I'm going to be jumping into what my trade is for this week and kind of how I expect that to play out. I've been really focused on using the wheel strategy, which is basically selling a put, collecting that premium, and then if you do get assigned, selling the call on the opposite side, and if you don't get assigned, then basically selling another put for the next week and again collecting that premium. In some sense, it's some way of basically creating weekly income by selling options. So my trade for this week, I sold the 54 strike price put. So as long as this stock price stays above 54 at expiration, which for me is next Friday, I get to keep my full amount of premium. In different scenario, let's say the stock price kind of drops below 54, then I will most likely get assigned shares of AMD, and then I can start selling the call on the opposite side of the trade. So let me dive a little bit deeper into the exact trade that I placed. So as you can see here, I'm using Thinkorswim. I placed a trade for next Friday. This was 8 days left when I placed the trade earlier today. I placed the trade at the 54 strike price, selling a put, and this would be the premium that I got to collect. In my case, it was a little bit lower based on the time that I sold it, but this is kind of what it looks like, selling one put AMD for next Friday at the 54 strike price, and then the premium I get to collect. My exact trade is kind of laid out here. It has 7 days left in terms of expiration, and I was able to collect 57 cents in premium. I usually try to target around 1% a week using this strategy. So in this sense, every option contract is equal to 100 shares. So 57 cents times 100 is $57 that I get to collect as premium as soon as I sell the put, divided by my maximum stock assignment value, which is 54 times 100, so $5,400. And again, I would only have to spend the $5,400 if the stock finishes below $54 and I get assigned the stock. So as you can see right now, my profit is negative $10, and that's completely okay because at the end of the day, as long as the stock finishes above $54, I'll get to keep that entire amount of premium. And even if it doesn't, I'll get assigned the stock. And AMD is a really strong stock, so nothing to be unhappy about. And then I get to sell the call on the opposite side and collect more premium. So that's kind of what my trade looks like right now for this week. I plan on releasing videos throughout this week to kind of update on how this trade plays out and if there's anything I change to kind of manage this trade. AMD also has earnings coming up next Tuesday, so it'll be interesting to see how that stock price kind of fluctuates and how that impacts this position. I plan on using this channel to kind of document my stock and options trades, and I'll go into more detail on the strategies that I use as well as kind of how to implement them yourselves, and just looking to kind of share my experience with trading in general. Feel free to leave a comment if there's a topic you want me to dive deeper on, or if there's anything you want to discuss regarding this video. More than happy to kind of go into more detail on this in the comments and in future videos. Thanks everyone, and hope you have a great trading week.